Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am working on my planner page for the week starting the 24th of September. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's create some planner magic. Because I am really slammed for time, I have 6 days left to make things for a market, and I have so far made 13 items that are ready to be bagged, and I have a bunch of pretty peg rosettes that are ready to be bagged up. I have some plain ones as well. I've decided to use the Love Doki kit again because it's really pretty and hopefully I can make a quick page with it. Now the first thing I actually want to do, find a banner that I wanted to use last time. Oh no, we've got a sticker stuck. So if I can, I'll use that sticker. There will be no regret and sorrow if you fight with all your strength. I like that one. So I'm going to add this skinny one to the top. And then trim that off. I'm going to put that back on there for now and work out what I'm going to use. We already know I love the check boxes. They're amazing. If I could just buy a pack just of them, I so would. Okay, I'm not even going to trim this box. It's the perfect size to go right there. And then I can add my check box right beside it. Layer them up just a little. And I'm going to add another check box here. So that bit's already done, nice and quick. I'm going to put Have Big Dreams up here. Actually, I might put the checkbox in first. Then see what we've got to work with. Thinking of doing some things with these little banners this time. Adding some extra decoration without a box. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to add this stripy one down here. This one can go up here. And then I'm adding the rest of that statement to the top. Rainbow box. Oh, I forgot about those boxes under there. Need another banner. And one more. I'm not going to push that. That needs to come further up. Oh, I forgot. A pink banner. Our second banner, and I'm going to I might take this yellow one even though it's not spelled right. Give that a snip. Adding that to the bottom. Got a little bit of one of the pieces from last week. I'm just going to add it here. Next I'm going to take that flower that peeled up before and add it to our rainbow. Then I'm going to grab these banners. I might pull this one over. And this one. I'm going to move the checkbox over just a smidge. I need one more. I'm going to cover that view up. Put the Today banner over the top, and then I'll find a sticker to go over the top to hide that gold behind there. Going to add small check boxes to Saturday and Sunday. Pull another pink one in. I decided that they had to be swapped around. I'm going to add this gold heart down here. Add another flower in there. Oh no. Well, I guess that's where it's going now. Just adding some finishing flowers. And I think this week that's all I'm going to do. So that is a nice quick planner layout that only took me 20 minutes. Now I just have to add in what's going on this week and I'm done. Let's add babysit. Shopping and Mum's on Friday. Market every day. If I can do market every day. Bins. Planner video, which I'm shooting right now. HH video. Another HH here. Okay, so that's red done. And again, I'm going to put blog on every day because I am behind by about 4 blogs and I'm trying to fit them in, but I'm hoping next week I will get them all done. Maybe I can do some on Sunday while I'm at the markets with my mum. Oh, when I come back from the markets. Do planner vid. Bunch of editing. I didn't keep up with my Instagram every day at the moment just because my daughter had all those assignments and so tired. My brain was on overload trying to keep up with everything that I didn't get to do it, but I have been posting every day recently-ish. Depends on what time. New class is every day. No live this weekend, but I'm hoping the weekend after I'll get back to doing lives and I will draw the winner of the 500 sub party then, which is now closed, by the way, just so you know. Have I missed anything? Oh, I missed the washing. That's right, it won't fit now anyway. But I know I've got to go and do that too. It's washed, I just have to hang it out. Good thing my line's inside. I'm expecting mail and I'm not sure when I'm expecting mail here, so I will draw it across both. That one didn't go very well, so I might redraw that if I can. Close enough. That's pretty messy mail, but I was too lazy to get the stamps out and stamp it. That is my planner layout for the 24th. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll only be able to use elements of the Love Doki kit because there's not enough banners and things left to make a full page. Lots of flowers that I can use. There is a couple of banners left. Lots of check boxes. I love them. There is a few boxes left that I can probably pull into other collections that I have. That will go with most anything. I think I have some papers pretty like that it'll work with. But that's not too bad. I've gotten 2 complete layouts out of one kit. Add in the date before I forget. Oh, I need something here. I might pull this piece of paper and layer it under. Okay, now I'm done fussing. Let's put everything away before I decide it needs more. I hope you like my planner layout this week. Let me know what you guys are up to this week. As you can see, I'm fitting as much as I can in. I'm hoping I can get everything done for the markets. But we shall see. I will try and do a video of everything I've made so I can show you what I'm selling at the markets. I haven't really followed any tutorials. I'm just making most of it up as I go along. So we'll see how that goes for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell notification if you want to know when new videos go up. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.